The Safeguard Security app is an innovative mobile security application that turns your smartphone into your personal home alarm management system. Experience customer service at a whole new level. Through the Safeguard Security app, you can request a sales rep in the app, make a request for any of our award-winning services, test your alarm system, be instantly informed of any activity on your monitored premises through messages and crime-related notifications in your area. This application allows you to manage your alarm system, use the panic button to get immediate help in case of an emergency. You can also call an ambulance and roadside assistance response anywhere in Zimbabwe. Download the Safeguard Security app and experience award-winning products and customer service at a whole new level. When security matters, Safeguard.